In our previous class, we discussed the topic of rest and sleep. When we say rest and sleep are two essential components of our well-being, and rest involves breaks and relaxation, while sleep is a state of reduced consciousness and bodily functions. In today's lesson, we will be discussing the importance of resting. Resting goes beyond sleep. It includes breaks, relaxation, and recovery. Let's understand why it's crucial for our health and performance. Working properly, rest is vital for optimal body function. With enough rest, we feel refreshed and energized, enabling us to work efficiently. It boosts focus, productivity, and task performance. 2. Clear thinking. Well-rested minds are alert and focused. Rest improves cognition and mental clarity, enhancing decision-making and thinking abilities. 3. Acting quickly and correctly. Resting aids quick and accurate actions. Adequate rest enhances responsiveness and prevents tiredness-induced mistakes. It prepares us to react swiftly and accurately. 4. Clear communication. Resting improves communication. When well rested, we express thoughts clearly, understand others better, and enhance effective communication. Factors affecting sleep. 1. Mind issues. Unresolved problems or stress can disrupt sleep. Worries and concerns make it hard to relax and fall asleep. 2. Illness. Sickness causes discomfort, pain, or symptoms that disturb sleep. Seeking medical attention is important for managing sleep disruptions. 3. Lack of exercise. Insufficient physical activity can hinder sleep. Regular exercise promotes better sleep by making the body tired and ready for rest. 4. Drugs. Certain medications or substances can interfere with sleep patterns. Following healthcare professionals' guidance and understanding medication instructions is crucial to managing sleep effects. In conclusion, rest is vital for our well-being, mentally and physically. It enables effective work, clear thinking, quick actions, good communication, efficient learning, and overall health maintenance. Thank you for joining today's class. Remember to subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next lesson.